Hi, so I'm going to show you how you can carry a baby with the African wrap. It's just a simple African wrap. Okay, so the first thing, you're not gonna toss around your baby like that. You got the baby. The first thing, put the baby in the back like this with the legs open. I'm only using this because my baby is big and he's not gonna be moving, you know, he moves around, so he's not gonna stop. Okay, so once you got the baby up with one hand, the other one is free, put the wrap. Just remember, babies will move, so that's why you have to hold. Keep on doing that. Put there, leaving the head. So leaving the head, I'm bending down. Okay, I do this is one method. Fold that in, and I take the bottom, leave the baby's feet out. As we can see, this baby doesn't have them long feet, so leave the baby's feet out. Then you can do that. Then you can do this and fold it in. This is for tiny babies, little tiny babies, 4 months. Once the baby's neck is able to support, okay, and leave the baby's head out. For bigger babies, same thing. And you can leave the hands out, or you can put it in. The other method, you can do this. I usually do this. Just remember the feet out. And then same thing here at the bottom. I think I was just pulling the other one. And secure. You can just feel it, okay? When you got it secure, it's fine. The baby's head. That's how you wrap a baby. This is 2 methods. The third method, when the wrap is long enough, you cross it over with the baby, the other one underneath, okay? And you do that. And that. Just know that the baby can try to jump up and down, but when they're secure, little legs, hands, you can be doing stuff, you can be cleaning. So this is one ways you carry the baby with the African wrap, okay? I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye bye.